problem I was having with it was it wouldn't flip up to reveal the camera. On this model of car, the Volkswagen emblem flips up on the boot lid to reveal the camera, and then you can see from the driver's station. When you're looking at the screen, you can see that the camera is still working. It's just that the motor was no longer flipping up to reveal the camera. So this part here is the motor. I've already gone ahead and diagnosed this. So if you look here on it, you can see the 2 points where it connects to the motor. I've applied voltage to those two and the motor doesn't work. Well, it does work for about a second or two and then it stops. And I've also tested it on the car. Focus there. And so I've tested the voltage on these 2 points, and when you put the car into reverse, it is supplying voltage to the motor. And when a few seconds after taking it out of reverse to close the camera again, it reverses the polarity. So the module is perfectly fine, but the motor has failed. I've gone ahead and I've ordered a new motor. This is from AliExpress, and this is the number on it. So if you can see here, get that motor off. It's very worn on this, but you can still read the number just about. It is 32667568, and that's the number that matches here, and they're identical, you can see. If you are going ordering it, to remove this section, there is this little switch here. There you go. And these pins actually come up through that. These pins here come up through that, so they need to be desoldered. You can also order this on AliExpress from the same suppliers. As you can see, the heat has slightly damaged it here, but I've tested the connectors and they still work fine. So before you place your order, make sure to remove that connector first, and if it gets damaged when you're removing it, make sure to order a replacement part too. Just to test that the motor is working fine before I put it all back together, just have a 9-volt battery with alligator clips connected, and tap here, yes. So that motor is working fine. This is now soldered back together, and this is sitting flush. Just because you're going to be putting it back in the closed position, these cogs, it may reset itself anyway, but if you see this little indent at the bottom here, that needs to line up into this hole and make sure it sits down fully. And that sits down there. Then when you're putting this back on, make sure this is sitting up. There's an outline here of where it should sit, closed, and fit it back on. And here's the unit fully reassembled, ready to go back in the car. Don't mind the noise, it's lashing rain here. That's it all installed back on the car. Let's go test it out. Test the boot bonnet works again. Yep, boot latch. Turn the car on. Put it into reverse, and yep, works.